Hello and welcome to Itsemgeee. If you haven't been here before, hello, my name is Emily. I like to do Disney travel videos. Also there's Universal in there, obviously Harry Potter, anything that lets me go around the world. But today we are not going around the world. We're going to Newcastle for the night. We're going to see the Book of Mormon. I'm surprising Hannah for her birthday. Her birthday was in June. It is now July, so she's been waiting a couple of weeks for this. Yeah, I said that I'm going to take you to see a theatre show because we love theatre. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to see. I'm going to tell you some dates I can do, and then we can both see if they can do them, and then we're going to go. She knows we're going to Newcastle, but that's all she knows. She has not googled it, which to my surprise I would have to find out. But yeah, I'll just bring you along. We'll see how it goes. We've just gone for the night. It's currently like 5 o'clock. Takes like just over an hour and a half to get to Newcastle. We need to check into the hotel, get some food, and get to the theatre all in time. But yeah, let's go surprise my sister. Today we are in the car. Hannah still doesn't know where we're going.
I know where we're going. I don't know what we're going to see.
Don't want to see. Bit of a panic, less of a panic now. We've set off and the sat nav said to arrive at the hotel at 19 minutes past 7.
And then 25 minutes.
And then 25 minutes.
Starts.
Just gonna put it on.
Yeah, I'll vlog for you.
You're driving, you concentrate on that drive. Yeah, but now it's gone to 4 minutes past the mad hour. 5 o'clock traffic.
Rush hour, yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's finished. But yeah, very excited. We might have time for a bite to eat before. If not, it's after. So I'm hungry now. We are hungry. But technically you could really stop at petrol.
I've got time to stop at petrol now.
So we can get a snack.
Yeah.
Let's head
I'm going to have to get a snack now.
We can go, oh no, if we want to stop at Hexham, is that really posh?
Oh, there's Greg's. Oh, should I go? Yeah, that's where we stopped on the way back from the airport the other week. I literally took them there. There's a Subway and a Greg's and a Spa. Should we just go in there?
We'll go there.
I'm going to get a slice of pizza.
Oh, because when we came back from Italy, I don't know if I vlogged it, because that was stressful. If you've seen, you've seen.
What was this stressful for?
Well, there was no train. Italy.
Oh yeah, in Italy.
In Italy.
Here.
No. I got like 3 for 2 and then a pizza. But it was needed. But yeah, let's go.
I might get. Oh, I have to eat it fast.
This slow car's turned
in the
off.
wrong gear. Sorry. It's in the wrong gear.
It's what we were telling us driving.
Oh, I didn't realise how slow it slowed down too.
Look at the aeroplane. Book of Mormon has finished. 11 out of 10. So good.
So funny.
So funny. So yeah, some of the jokes are so bad, but really good. We also got there just in the nick of time.
I don't know how we did it.
We don't know how we did it. The show started at 7:30. We got there at 7:29 and 30 milliseconds.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Yeah.
She said 1 minute.
We were going in like the programme will be beginning in a minute. It was like lovely, but now it's 10 o'clock. We've had no tea apart from a pasty on the way home. Here, Mackie's is open. We're gonna have a quick Macca's and then
chicken nugs.
chicken nugs. Oh, they're doing chicken feta wraps. It looks good.
Oh, I don't want bread though.
We'll see. Macca's has been ordered. 007. We have made it back to the hotel. Just stopping at McDonald's. Ready to eat it. I got a chicken katsu
Was it nice?
curry wrap. Unknown, I'll let you know when I eat it.
Oh.
Some chips and a salad. So we're gonna watch that, eat that, and watch Police Interceptors. Our favourite thing to do. But yeah, I'll do a room tour tomorrow, so I'll see you in a bit. Hello again, good morning, it's the next day. We are up, we are ready. Well, I'm up and ready. Waiting for Hannah once again. We are going to head out for breakfast and then head out into town. Oh, hello. We'll get tidied up and then I'll do a quick room tour before we go. We're watching it's the tsunami, not tsunami, the earthquake in Russia has hit and the tsunami's at a minute. So hopefully it's not too bad for everybody. But yeah, this is my current view waiting for Hannah. I've got a lovely bridge that the metro goes over. It's like on a cruise ship if the trees weren't there. We are ready to go, so we'll do a quick room tour. So if anybody wants to see what the Copthorne in Newcastle is like, this is what it is. We've got, oh hello, the door. I took the toilet paper off so no one can look in. But yeah, we've got the door. We'll start at the door. To your left, we've got this little cubby hole thing. Do we know what that's for, Hannah? To put things on?
I've never opened it, the door.
No, it's like a little insert thing.
Oh no.
There we go.
Put your suitcase there.
Yeah.
Oh, that sun's warm.
Oh yeah, we've got the bathroom, please excuse. It's a bit oldie worldy, the bathroom, but skin and soda we didn't use though, but well, if anybody knows what it's like, please let us know. We've got quite a big wardrobe, to be honest, which has a fan in. Woo woo woo. A safe, some towels, oh sorry, storage, an iron board, and there's an iron there. We've got the telly with some storage, some more storage space. The room is actually quite big. We got twin beds. Yeah. Keep walking. We've got Hannah. Between the beds we've got like the light phone, a light switch for everything, and some more storage in here. We then go to the desk. We've got this thing that you knock on and off through plugs because they're on next to the beds. Another mirror, hello. Desk, chair. More, oh, hairdryer. Not that we used it, just more. Storage, please don't step back. Next to the bed we've also got the tea station with a big fridge, couple chairs,
My bag.
Hannah's bag, and an actually quite nice view.
I think if we stand over there, it looks like we're on a boat.
Yeah, I said that before, but yeah.
Obviously.
Let's go find some breakfast with him. Oh, lovely.
What's the matter?
Let's see one.
Good. There's already someone there.
Of course it is. Especially when I've got camera on.
I did not notice that.
Out of all the places to go for breakfast this morning, we are choosing.
We can go a bit further along.
Yeah. Wetherspoons.
But it's quick.
It's quick.
It's cheap.
It's cheap.
And it's a really nice food.
grub? Yeah. Or a coffee? Yeah.
Oh, it's mushroom, tomato and a slice of toast. You can just get small beans on toast. Why do we always order too?
Food has arrived. Once again, we have ordered too much, but I've got scrambled egg on toast. No, beans and some fruit. Hannah, what did you get when it comes?
Vegetarian breakfast.
Veggie breakfast and some fruit. Breakfast has been had. Great. Oh, one sec. The what bridge is it? Is it the Tyne Bridge?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the big blue one was a Tyne Bridge.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, the other one's the white one.
The white one. So it is up, look. Hang on. Oh, there's lots of pigeons. Where does it go? Oh, oh, nice. Look. It's up. You can't walk across it.
Oh, that's a good shot
I
then.
wonder what's going on.
I bet it's autumn.
Yeah. Which is perfect because we're going in autumn.
We're getting used to it.
Very inclusive. The model's a wheelchair. There is some stuff in. It's nice. Oh, I don't know. We're being very picky with each other.
Yeah.
Because you don't need things. But also, it's July.
I know.
And the jumpers are already out. Bit early. Primark has been done. Little damage, 20 quid.
Yeah.
But that's just for Australia. But that's for Australia. But yeah. We've got Elven Square, see what's down on. Oh, a Bailey's caramel latte. Iced latte. Oh, I don't actually like Bailey's. I don't know why I'm going. Oh, no. I remember I tried it on the Disney cruise, and I was like, not for me. But yeah, it's busy. It's busy. Primark's done, and we did cheeky stuff in River Island while there was a big sale on. So I got myself a lovely, oh nice, lovely green blazer for £25. And now we're in New York. Another sale. It's going to be bad for my bank account. Oh my god, they had tomatoes. So mini. Oh, we stopped for a Cinnabon. Look at Hannah's mini one. I've got the classic on. Classic on the go roll. So we're going to sit and eat those and then head back to the car. We're back in the car. Shopping done. Feet hurt. Cinnabon eaten. I'm ready to go home.